Welcome to Learning Aha! Do you know about the colorful bird? The colorful bird from the kingdom of the birds. Colorful birds flying high in the sky. But did you know the reason why? Flamingos stand tall, a sight to think. But here's the truth, they're not born pink. When they're born, they're gray or white. But soon their feathers take a colorful flight. It's all the shrimp they eat, that's a trick. Turning them pink with every flick. These graceful birds so slim and bright. Their pink comes from each little bite. Carotenoids in their food day by day bring out that rosy, vibrant display. Wading through water with necks so long, they look so elegant like nature's song. But remember this fact, so fun and neat, they owe their color to the food they eat. Their legs like stumps, they stand with pride in salty lakes where they reside. Dancing in flocks, they strike a pose. Flamingos, the stars in nature's shows. So next time you see them, in pink they gleam. It's all thanks to shrimp, it's not just a dream. Flamingos, the beauty of nature's design. Their colors from food, a natural sign. The colorful bird flamingo